Hello everyone, so today we're going to learn about exponents. What are exponents? Exponents are also called powers. Powers or indices. The exponent of a number, or the indice or the power of a number, says how many times to use a number in a multiplication. So for example, if we take x squared, the 2 would be our exponent, and our 8 would be our base. So in this case, x squared is equal to 8 times 8, which is equal to 64. For x to the power of 7, you've got 8 times 8 times 8, and so on, which equals, so it's all key concepts that mathematics is surrounded by. And there is certain laws that we need to learn in order for example, in order to know and to deal with these types of laws, and especially in algebra when we need to learn them. So our first law would be x to the power of 1 is equal to x. For example, 6 to the power of 1 is equal to 6. Our second law is x to the power of 0 is equal to 1. For example, 7 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. This is a more trickier one. So we've got these basic ones. And these laws you just have to keep practicing and they'll come eventually. I remember when I started to learn about this and it took me ages to get my heads around it. So x to the power of minus 1 is equal to the inverse of x, so 1 over x. This means that, let's say, 4 to the power of minus 1 is equal to 1 over 4. This is a key concept that we need to learn when you're differentiating or when you're doing any sorts of complex maths and basic maths as well involving exponents. Our next one would be x to the power of m times x to the n is equal to x to the m plus n. For example, you've got x to the power of 2 times x to the power of 3. You have x2 plus 3, which is equal to x to the power of 5. You've also got xm divided by xn. This is going to give us xm minus n. For example, x to the power of 6 over x to the power of 2 will give us x to the power of 4. The next one would be, in brackets, x to the power of m times the power of n. That's going to give us x to the power of mn. For example, you've got x to the power of 6, all of this to the power of 4, you're going to get x to the power of 6 times 4, which is going to give you x to the power of 24. You've also got xy to the power of n. These are two different variables, so they're going to be xn, yn. For example, you've got xy to the power of 3 is equal to x3, y3. So you've got as well x over y yn, and this is going to give us xn divided by yn. So just giving the examples and things is not going to help. I think we need to learn more about things like this. So you have to go home and practice it, practice each individual questions, practice different laws, give examples. Why don't you try really random numbers? You just have to see and you have to learn them. X to the power of minus n is equal to 1 over x to the power of n. which we've learned about x to the power of -1. Similar. And the law about fractional exponents. This is a very tricky one to get your head around, and you just need a bit of practice. X to the power of m over n will give us the nth root, n root, x to the power of m. So this, the n becomes the root, and m becomes the power, or exponents. So you've got the n here, and you've got the m there. So let's try an example with that. X to the power of 2 over 3. So our 3 cube will have a cube root x squared. So this can also be translated to 3 root x squared. So this is our basic exponents. So what have we learned today? Today we've learned the different rules of exponents. Just try them, get your head around them, and it's very easy to make mistakes, so just keep practicing. Thank you.